In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Mailchimp contacts. This process is crucial for expanding your email marketing efforts by ensuring your valuable contacts are correctly uploaded to your Mailchimp account. Whether you're switching from another service or just looking to update your subscribers list, this guide will carefully walk you through each step. First, let's get you signed into your Mailchimp account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp login page. You'll be greeted with sections to enter your username or email and your password. Carefully type in your credentials. Once you've entered your login details, it's time to hit the login button and access your Mailchimp dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Mailchimp account. This page is your command center, where you can access all the features and tools that Mailchimp offers. For now, we'll focus on importing contacts, so let's get to it. Look for the audience option in your dashboard. This section is where all your subscriber management tasks happen, from viewing your current subscribers to managing their details. Once you've found and clicked audience, the next step is to add your contacts to your Mailchimp account. You'll notice an option to add your contacts. Clicking on this will present you with a few different choices on how to proceed, each tailored to meet various needs. Whether you have a simple file to upload, you're copying and pasting from another source, or even importing directly from another service, Mailchimp has you covered. Let's dive deeper into each option. If you opt to upload a file, it means you have your contacts saved in a file format such as CSV or a spreadsheet. This method is straightforward. Just navigate to the file on your computer and upload it. Mailchimp will then guide you through mapping the columns in your file to the corresponding fields in your Mailchimp account, ensuring that information like email addresses, names, and any other details are correctly imported. Another handy option is the copy and paste method. If you have your contacts listed in another format, or perhaps you're working from a text document, this option allows you to simply copy that text and paste it directly into Mailchimp's importer tool. This method is perfect for quick additions or smaller lists. For those transitioning from another email service provider or leveraging contacts from an online service, the import from another service's option is invaluable. Mailchimp supports direct imports from several popular services, making it seamless to carry over your contacts without needing to manually export and then upload files. Regardless of the method you choose, finalizing your import is as simple as clicking Continue. Mailchimp will then take you through any additional steps necessary for your chosen import method, including matching contact information to Mailchimp fields, reviewing your import for any errors, and completing the process. Throughout this process, remember a few essential tips. Always ensure the information you're importing conforms to Mailchimp's policies and is permission-based. This means having explicit consent from the individuals whose information you're uploading, a step that's not only ethical but also in line with best practices and legal requirements around email marketing. Also, take a moment to review and clean up your contacts before importing. Removing any outdated or incorrect information beforehand can save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run, ensuring your emails reach the intended recipients and your engagement rates stay healthy. Once you've successfully imported your contacts, you'll be ready to take the next step in your email marketing journey with Mailchimp. Crafting campaigns, segmenting your audience for targeted messaging, and analyzing the results will now be within your grasp, all powered by a correctly managed and up-to-date audience list. Thank you for following along with this guide on how to import your contacts into Mailchimp. With your contacts correctly uploaded, you're well on your way to creating more effective and engaging email campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides. Happy emailing!